Hello, hello, and welcome once again, dear students. How are you? Today we have a very all-American lesson because we're going to learn how to pronunciate each state of the Union of the United States of America, of the US of A. So this is how it works. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the state. You will see the state of the map, and I will tell you the name, and you will just repeat it. There are some tricky names. You will repeat it just as I say it. If you don't watch the text, it will be better. Because if you watch the text, it's confusing. You know what happens? Sometimes you say something here. No. Remember the vowels are different. It's not the same one. I give you an example. Okay, let's go to the first one. Listen and repeat. And the first state is alphabetical order, Alabama. One more time. Alabama. Yeah, no Alabama, Alabama, Alabama. Ok, lo podemos repetir las veces que querramos, ¿sí? Pero es Alabama. No es Alabama, no, no, Alabama. Es pero no A, no es Alabama. Las vocales son diferentes. The vowels are different. Let's move on. So listen and repeat. This state is Alabama. Yeah, cowboy, it's Alabama, right? Okay, next. This is how it works. Alaska. This is outside the continent. It's Alaska, another territory. Alaska. Arizona. Yes, it's Arizona. Uh-huh. Arkansas. Listen and repeat. Don't watch that. Arkansas. Yes, Arkansas. Un día les voy a decir el porqué de cada uno de los estados y la etimología, pero bueno, no es como se lee ahí, es Arkansas, en un acento en la primera sílaba. Arkansas. California. Oh, interesting in California. California. Colorado. American pronunciation is Colorado. Yep, Colorado. Or Colorado. No, it's Colorado. All American. No, no, Colorado, no. It's Colorado. That is a Spanish one. No. Okay, next one is here. Oh, lovely. It's Connecticut. Listen and repeat. Connecticut. No, no, don't read this. This is confusing. Connecticut. This is Connecticut. Okay. In New York, it's Connecticut. All right. Connecticut. Now we're talking. Connecticut. Delaware. Yep. Little tiny state. Delaware. Yep. Florida. Yeah, Miami is over there. Oh, my friend. I have a friend who's living there. Matias, one of my students. Saludo, Matias, in Miami, Florida. Florida. Georgia. Yep, it is Georgia. It's also the South. Uh-huh. Hawaii. Yeah, Hawaii. Mm, Hawaii. Yeah, double I is Hawaii. It's another name. Hawaii. Idaho. Countryside. Idaho. Idaho. Illinois. Yep, this is Illinois. Illinois. Indiana. Yep, it's Indiana. Iowa. One more time. Iowa. Kansas. No confundir con Arkansas. Kansas. Yep. Kentucky. Yep. Kentucky. Like the pizzeria. Louisiana. This is the state of Louisiana, huh? Yep. In the bio. Louisiana. Maine. Repeat. Maine. Maryland. It is Maryland. Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Right. Boston. Michigan. This is Michigan. Not no Michigan, no Michigan. Listen and repeat. Michigan. Si pueden evitar ver la palabra mejor, ¿eh? Escrito porque siempre me confunden. Michigan. Minnesota. Minnesota. It's the American pronunciation. This is Minnesota. Mhm. Very, very cold. Mississippi. That's another state, huh? Near Louisiana. Mississippi. Yep. Mississippi. Missouri. Once again, listen and repeat. Missouri. It is Missouri. Montana. Yep. Montana. Nebraska. Yep. American accent. Nebraska. Nevada. Nevada. Las Vegas. Nevada. New Hampshire. Yep. This is New Hampshire, a little state in the north. New Hampshire. New Jersey is in front of New York. Well, New Jersey. Oh, Breaking Bad. New Mexico. Yeah. The Southwest, New Mexico. New York. Uh-huh. New York, New York. Yep. North Carolina. Yep. North Dakota. Yes. North Dakota. Oh, it's more like British. No. North Dakota. And of course, afterwards, you have the South Dakota. Ohio. Yep. Ohio. Cleveland, Ohio. Oklahoma. Yep. Oklahoma no. Oklahoma. Más cerrada la vocal. Yep. Oklahoma. Oregon. Yep, Washington, the state of Washington and Oregon. El estado de Washington está aquí arriba, ¿no? Pero Washington, D.C., como el distrito de Columbia, no existe, no es un estado, así que no lo vamos a nombrar. Washington, el District of Columbia, D.C., es la sede administrativa, pero no es un estado, así que no va a aparecer en esta lista, ¿sí? This is Oregon, Portland, Oregon, of course. Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania, right. Rhode Island, Rhode Island, in Rhode Island, in Providence, Rhode Island, New England. All right. South Carolina. See, North, South Carolina. South Dakota. North Dakota, South Dakota, South Dakota. Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, capital of the country music, huh? Tennessee. Texas, yeah, cowboy, Texas. Uh-huh. Utah. Is that Utah? It's Utah. Utah. It's Utah. It's Utah. Vermont. Yep. El estrés va en la última sílaba. Vermont. O Vermont. See, it's like a French. Yep, it is. Virginia. Carry me home, country roads, West Virginia. Virginia, yes. Washington, the state of Washington, not Washington, D.C. It is not a state. Washington is not a state. It's the District of Columbia, which is the administrative capital, the federal government. This is the state of Washington. For example, Seattle is the state of Washington. West Virginia, okay, Virginia and West Virginia. Wisconsin, yeah, that 70s show, remember? And I think we're done, right? And I think we're done. Yep, I think we're done. Wyoming, yep, Wyoming. And that's it. You done it. Now, this is it. These are the states of the Union of the United States, and we're trying to practice this American pronunciation into this American world in the United States and the US of A. So I hope you like this lesson. See you on the next one. So any request, any suggestion, put it on your comments, and I see you on the next video. So until we meet again, bye bye.